3,000 years ago, a group of slaves escaped one of the most powerful empires on Earth. Their leader was a man named Moses. Their destination was freedom, but standing in their way was an impossible barrier. The sea, according to the book of Exodus, the waters parted, and the Israelites crossed to safety. For centuries, skeptics have asked the same question. Did this journey really happen? And if it did, where exactly did it take place? Today, new technology may be bringing us closer to the answer than ever before. Satellite imagery is revealing something extraordinary hidden beneath the deserts of Egypt and the Sinai. Possible traces of the ancient route of the Exodus. The biblical story begins in ancient Egypt. The Israelites had lived there for generations, but over time they became slaves under a powerful pharaoh. According to the Bible, God raised up a man named Moses to lead them out of bondage. After a series of devastating plagues struck Egypt, Pharaoh finally allowed the Israelites to leave. Thousands began their journey into the wilderness, but soon Pharaoh changed his mind. His army pursued them. Chariots thundered across the desert. The Israelites found themselves trapped. Behind them, the Egyptian army. In front of them, the sea. And yet, the story says something miraculous happened. The waters parted. A path appeared through the sea, and the people crossed to the other side. But where did this crossing happen? For centuries, historians and archaeologists have debated the route of the Exodus. Some believe the crossing occurred in the northern marshlands near the Nile Delta. Others suggest it happened further south near the Gulf of Suez. Another theory proposes a crossing at the Gulf of Aqaba. The challenge is that deserts change over time. Ancient lakes dry up, rivers shift their course. Cities disappear beneath sand. But today, scientists have a new tool. Eyes in the sky. Modern satellite imaging can detect buried landscapes, ancient riverbeds, hidden settlements, even the faint traces of long-lost roads. And recently, these images have revealed something fascinating. Possible ancient routes that align closely with the biblical narrative. Using satellite data and terrain mapping, researchers have begun reconstructing the geography of the ancient Sinai region. What they discovered is remarkable. Beneath the desert lie the outlines of ancient water systems and travel corridors. Paths that would have allowed large groups of people to move through the wilderness. Some of these routes lead toward narrow coastal crossing points along the Red Sea, locations where unique wind and tidal conditions could temporarily push back shallow waters. Computer simulations have even shown that strong eastern winds could create a natural land bridge in certain areas. Interestingly, the book of Exodus describes a powerful wind blowing through the night before the crossing. Could this ancient story contain a memory of a real geographic event? No one knows for certain. But the landscape itself is beginning to tell a story. The search for the Exodus route is about more than ancient history. It touches one of the most influential stories ever told. The Exodus narrative shaped the identity of Israel. It inspired prophets, kings, and generations of believers. Even today, the story echoes through the traditions of Judaism and Christianity. The journey from slavery to freedom became a symbol of hope. And if modern technology is helping uncover the path of that journey, then the sands of the desert may still hold secrets waiting to be discovered. 3,000 years ago, a people walked into the wilderness. Their story survived through sacred text. Now, satellites orbiting far above the Earth may be revealing traces of that journey below. The question remains: have we finally begun to rediscover the lost route of the Exodus? Or is the greatest discovery still waiting beneath the desert sands?